Thought I'd bring you to the tree gravesite here. Basically, it's gonna be frosting this week. And kind of wrapping up the garden, clearing stuff out. So I'll show you our update for this month. We cut down this cherry tree. It was a wild cherry, mostly pits and not much fruit. So planted an apple tree here. This one's a Fuji and I think a wine sap or something in the front yard. But Kevin cut the other one down. This is some wild, it's called wild cucumber, but it's toxic. Can't eat it. The leaves are okay. See these peppers?
Itchy.
Yeah. We're gonna pick some of these for chili. Here you go. We're gonna pick them all. I guess it's gonna be so cold.
We gotta go flip and flip.
These are non-hot jalapeños. Thank you. High five. Can you guys pause? I'm telling you what we're doing. We gotta pick the red tomatoes and get them all in the bucket. Then we're gonna rip out the tomato plants and carry them to a pile. And then we're gonna go rip out all the sweet potato vines and dig all those up and haul them up here with that. And we also gotta plant all of our strawberries.
Alright, let's get going.
It's a lot to do. That's where we got the tomatoes. You're getting the vines out for us. We're gonna dig up the sweet potatoes. They got a little bit of frost damage. It's kind of a low spot here.
Yeah. How are you supposed to grab the vines? Oh.
This dirt is awesome.
I couldn't get that out. That's what I asked for the trowel for.
Oh, well, let's get out the one next to it. Got some rodent damage. That's all right. We can cut around it. Not really. Whoa.
Yeah, that's the one I couldn't get out. But I accidentally broke the tip off trying to get it up.
That's all right. This soil is amazing.
Oh, there it is. There's the tip.
Where's the potato, baby? I don't even know how I can get this out. Without ruining my bed.
It's coming.
It's coming.
Well, you know what? This is why people use shovels. Oh my gosh.
Can't see the video. It's
It's
huge.
beautiful when I not shredded it up trying to get it out.
Oh, I just needed to lean it into
Come
that.
over on this side so you can see.
Yes! Oh, this one's even bigger.
I can't believe this. This is outrageous. No, it's just like gigantic.
Two. Gigantic.
I don't know.
Are the other plants coming in now too, or no?
Yeah, we're gonna do this whole thing. Let's do the other side now. Make sure to give it like a half cup of water. Alright, you come. Okay.
If they want to know you were gardening today, I think you should wear them to prove it to them. I wouldn't believe you if I didn't see dirt on you. I might wear these to work tomorrow.
This is what the potatoes looks like when we're done pulling them out.
Pick a lot of these flowers tonight and take them to church because they'll all be dead. We're gonna collect some seeds because I want to have a lot of zinnias next year. So, see the seed there? Just connected to the petal. Looking like got a tiny spinach. A lot of rabbits and stuff are eating our winter stuff. So, cabbage moths are after these. So this is it. A lot of bees getting their last little bit of pollen. We got a bunch of sunflowers. So we had our sweet potatoes there. Got that all cleaned up. We ended up using a pitchfork to get the last of them. And our loofah was not planted early enough, I don't think. We got some frost damage as well as the okra. So, anyway. So as far as these flowers go, I pretty much picked them over. So I got all the seed heads. I had so many pink. Anyways, and these, I'm just gonna pick my last bouquet. We've had so many flowers this year, it's been awesome. I took some to church and shared the last of them, which made everybody happy. It was worth it. We're starting to get ready for winter, sadly. Kind of had a few dips down into the 30s, but I think tonight's going to be the last, like the good freeze. So I'm picking my second last bouquet. I'm hoping to harvest some sunflower seeds too for saving. So, because we didn't get a whole lot, and I'm planning on hopefully getting more. Trying to expand this without spending much. And we were able to sell probably 70 garlic heads. So Anyway. Take care and see you next week.